Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato salad with onions. First, select the right potatoes. Starchy varieties like russets or Yukon Golds work wonderfully. Peel them and cut them into uniform 1-inch cubes to ensure they cook evenly. Then, boil these potato pieces in generously salted water until they are perfectly fork tender, which usually takes about 15 minutes. This initial step is crucial for a delicious base. Next, let's prepare the key flavor components. Finely dice one medium yellow onion. This provides a lovely, subtle crunch and savory note without overpowering the dish. For the creamy dressing, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Season this mixture generously with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to perfectly balance the flavors. Now it's time to bring everything together. Once your potatoes are cooked, drain them very thoroughly and allow them to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. This slight cooling prevents the dressing from becoming too thin. Gently fold the finely diced onions into the warm potatoes. Then, pour the creamy, flavorful dressing over the potato and onion mixture. Be sure to coat every piece evenly for maximum deliciousness. Finally, for the best results, cover your freshly made potato salad and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling period is absolutely essential, as it allows all those wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a truly harmonious taste. Just before serving, give it a gentle stir and garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or chives for a vibrant finish. Enjoy your homemade potato salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.